Hi friends, welcome to our new episode of Employment News for BE BTech Mechanical Engineering 7th December 2020. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. In this week, we have included 12 government jobs, 4 private jobs and 6 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this first government jobs. In government job, first job is Associate Engineer at BrahMos Aerospace Private Limited. The BrahMos Aerospace Limited is a joint venture between DRDO of India and Federal State Unitary Enterprise NPOM of Russia under BrahMos Aerospace. India holds a 50.5% of share stake in the company and Russia holds other 49.5%. The company currently manufactures BrahMos missile with a range of 300 km and traveling at a speed of Mach 2.8 to 3.0. It is the world's fastest anti-ship cruise missile in operation. It is currently developing a hypersonic version of the missile BrahMos 2 with a speed of Mach 7 to 8. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Qualification required is BE BTech Mechanical with minimum 2 years post-qualification experience, preferably in quality assurance in aerospace or high precision manufacturing industry. Place of posting is Arakonam, Tamil Nadu. Pay and allowance is salary 22,000 per month plus statutory benefits. Age limit is 35. Application fees nil. The selected candidates will be employed through manpower service agencies selected by BrahMos. Last date for receipt of application is 11th December 2020. How to apply? Interested candidates have to download application format from the website as shown on screen. Then duly filled applications in the prescribed format to be sent by speed post or courier to the General Manager HR BrahMos Aerospace Limited, Delhi. For any query, please call the phone number as shown on screen. Next is ground duty technical and flying branch at Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force offers opportunities for unmarried male and female candidates to the short service commission in the flying branch and permanent commission and short service commission in the ground duty technical and non-technical branches through Air Force Common Admission Test AFCAT. Course commencing on January 2022. Final year students 2021 batch also eligible to apply. Mechanical engineering graduates can apply for both flying branch and ground duty technical, aeronautical, mechanical branches. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Number of vacancies are 126 approximately. Pay allowances are 56,100 to 1,77,500 plus MSP 15,500. Age limit is 20 to 26. Application fees 250. How to apply? Aspirants of Indian Air Force are required to apply online by using the link as shown on screen from 1st December to 30th December 2020. Next is Project Associate 2 at CSIR Central Scientific Instruments Organization, Chandigarh. Central Scientific Instruments Organization CSIO is a constituent unit of CSIR, is a premier national laboratory dedicated to research, design and development of scientific and industrial instruments. It's a multidisciplinary and multi-dimensional apex industry research and development organization in the country to stimulate growth of instrument industry in India, covering wide range and applications. For more details and advertisement, please visit their website as shown on screen. Salary offered are 35,000 plus HRA. Qualification required is BTech BE Mechanical with 2-year experience in R&D. How to apply? Candidates who interested may download the application form from recruitment link on CSIR CSIO website and send the documents through email to project leader VK Sejal at csiO.res.in with the subject application for the project associate 2 against advertisement number 08-2020 on or before 12th December 2020. Next is Supervisor Technical Operation Mechanical at India Security Press, Nasik Road, SPM CAL. SPMCL is a Mini Ratna Category 1 Central Public Sector Enterprise Company wholly owned by Government of India. Objective of the company is designing, manufacturing, printing, security documents, currency and banknotes, non-judicial stamp papers, minting of coins, postage stamp, etc. India Security Press Nasik Road is one of the 9 units under SPMCL. It's a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Pay allowances are 26,000 to 1 lakh in industry DA pattern of pay scale plus other allowances. Age limit is 30 years. There are 9 number of vacancies are there. Application fees is 600 for general and 200 for SC ST candidates. How to apply? Applicants are requested to follow the detailed procedure guidelines indicated in SPMCL website. Candidates to go through the SPMCL website as shown on screen under the page career link and click on option apply online against advertisement number 03/2020 on or before 21st December 2020. Next is some state government jobs. In this first, Assam Electricity Grid Corporation Limited. Post name is Assistant Manager Mechanical. There are 9 number of posts are there. Pay scale is 37,300 to 1,12,000 plus grade pay 14,200. Last date for application is 18th December 2020. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Next is Assam Power Generation Corporation Limited. Post name is Assistant Manager Mechanical. There are 5 number of vacancies are there. Pay scale will be 37,300 plus grade pay 14,200. Last date for application is 18th December. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Next is Rajasthan Public Service Commission. Post name is Lecturer Technical Education. There are 8 number of vacancies are there. Pay scale 15,600 to 39,100 plus grade pay 5,400. Last date for online application is 27th December 2020. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Next is Himachal Pradesh Staff Selection Commission HPSSC. Post name is Junior Engineer Mechanical on contract basis. There are 15 number of vacancies are there. Fixed contractual amount of 14,100 will be paid. Last date for online application is 20th December 2020. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Next is some last dates of jobs already informed in previous videos. First one is various posts at Tamil Nadu Cooperative Milk Producers Federation Limited, TCMPF Limited. Last date for application is 9th December 2020. Scientific or Technical Officer Maintenance at National Institute of Technology Warangal is 10th December 2020. DRDO DEBL Bangalore's last date is 14th December 2020. Junior Research Fellowship at IIT BHU is 14th December 2020. DRDO DMRL Hyderabad's last date is 2nd January 2021. DRDO VRDE Maharashtra Research Assistant Research Fellow job last date is 4 January 2021. I will provide this video link in my description also. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first job is Mechanical Engineer Fresher at Focus Energy Limited. Focus Energy Limited is an independent oil and gas exploration company active in the Indus Basin. Focus Energy Limited is a part of a privately owned diversified business group having presence in various industries and business interests. We are primarily focusing on exploration, development and production of oil and natural gas in India. Focus Energy has one of the largest acreage position in the Rajasthan Basin, which is our region of focus. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required is fresher. Number of posts are 50. Salary offered best in the industry. Job description: excellent opportunities for freshers, mechanical engineer at our site, Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Candidates want to take experience in mechanical profile, they can apply immediately. Candidates can join immediately. Role: mechanical engineer fresher. Industry type is oil and gas. Functional area is site engineering project management. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their resume to mail ID as shown on screen or can apply through online through their website as shown the website. Next is Assistant Engineer Mechanical at Alkyl Amines Chemical Limited, Padal Ganga. Alkane Amines Chemical Limited is a global supplier of amines and amine-based chemicals to the pharmaceutical, agrochemical, rubber chemical, and water treatment industries, among others, with Rs 1000 crore turnover. Alkyl Amines Chemical Limited (AACL) is a public limited listed company promoted in 1979. The company is in business of manufacturing and marketing various aliphatic amines, amine derivatives, and other specialty chemicals for the last 30 years. It has 3 manufacturing sites and 12 production plants and related utilities at Padalganga and Kurumba in Maharashtra and Dahej in Gujarat. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is 2 to 5 years. Salary offered are 2,50,000 to 5,50,000 per annum. Job description is prevention and corrective mechanical maintenance. Role is assistant engineer mechanical. Industry type is chemical petrochemical. Function area is production manufacturing. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their resume to the mail ID hr@alkylamines.com. Next is graduate engineer trainee GET at Marino Panel Products. Marino is a versatile manufacturer and marketer of interior solutions with a wide array of products for homes, offices, commercial and public areas. In interior solutions, plywood has Marino first product 1974 and it launches their reputation for product quality and company services. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. They require fresher or 0 to 1 year experience. Salary offered are 1 lakh to 2 lakh per annum. Job description: candidates should be BTech mechanical fresher, must have MS Office skills. Role is fresher graduate engineering trainee. Industry type is interior solution. Function area is production. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can attend a walk-in interview at Rohat, Haryana on 7 to 9 December 2020. Email ID as shown on screen. Next is graduate engineering trainee mechanical at Abarna Construction and Estates Private Limited, Hyderabad. Abarna Construction is an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, is a leading real estate developer in Hyderabad. Since 1996, Abarna has completed 28 projects comprising fully integrated gated community villas, premier apartments and commercial buildings. Currently, Abarna has involved in executing new projects covering 7.5 million square feet. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year experience. The candidates should be BE BTech in mechanical engineering 2020 pass out with minimum 60% of marks aggregate through their academics. Please mention the percentage and institute studied in the resume. Should have passed all exam in the single attempt, not in compartmental. Selection will be through written test and interview. They have to execute 2.5 years bond. Role is graduate engineering trainee mechanical. It's a construction real estate type industry. Functional area is site engineering. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can send their resume to the mail ID as shown on screen. That's all for private jobs. Next is apprenticeship trainings. In apprenticeship training, first is graduate apprentice at Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders India, MDL, Mumbai. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, MDL, formerly called Mazagon Dock Limited, is a shipyard situated in Mazagon, Mumbai. It manufactures warship and submarines for the Indian Navy and offshore platforms and associated support vessels for offshore oil drilling. It also builds tankers, cargo, bulk carriers, passenger ships and ferries. The shipyard of MDL were established in 18th century. Eventually, Mazagon Dock Limited was registered as a public company in 1934. The shipyard was nationalized in 1960 and is now public sector undertaking of Government of India. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Candidates who have completed engineering graduation after May 2018 are only eligible to apply. Maximum age is 25 years. How to apply? Industry eligible candidates must register themselves in portal National Apprenticeship Training Scheme portal, NATS portal. The candidates have to apply for the respective apprenticeship through MDL's registration number as shown on screen on or before 23rd December 2020. Next is graduate apprentice at National Hydroelectric Power Corporation NHPC. NHPC Limited is an Indian hydropower generation company that was incorporated in 1975 with a authorized capital of 2000 million and with an objective to plan, promote and organize an integrated and efficient development of hydroelectric power in all aspects. Later on, NHPC expands its object to include other sources of energy like solar, geothermal, tidal, wind, etc. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Candidates who have completed engineering graduation after May 2018 are only eligible to apply. Maximum age is 25 years. How to apply? The eligible applicants have to enroll themselves in the National Apprenticeship Training Scheme NATS portal as shown on screen, and enrollment number should be mentioned on the application. The application form in the prescribed format available at the website as shown on screen, neatly typed in double space on A4 size paper, duly filled, should be reached to the manager NHPC Imphal, Manipur on or before 17th December 2020 through India Post or courier service. Next is graduate apprentice mechanical at ONGC Mangalore Petrochemical Limited OMPL. ONGC Mangalore Petrochemical Limited OMPL is a Government of India enterprise jointly promoted by Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited ONGC and Mangalore Refineries and Petrochemical Limited MRPL, located strategically in MSEZ. Mangalore is engaged in the aromatic business. For more details, please visit the website as shown on screen. Qualification required for the post is BE BTech Mechanical Engineering, pass out 2018, 19 and 20 with minimum 55% of mark. Stipend offered are 10,000 per month. Last date for application is 1st January 2021. How to apply? Candidates fulfilling the eligibility criteria shall log on to join us page of www.ompl.co.in and click on the link Engagement of Apprentice, advertisement number 09/2020. No other means of application will be accepted. Next is graduate apprentice at HLL Life Care Limited, Karnataka. HLL Life Care Limited is a Miniratna company of Government of India under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. HLL is a Schedule B public sector enterprises today, a multi-product, multi-unit organization addressing various public health challenges. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Stipend offered are 9,000. Maximum age is 35 years. How to apply? Interested candidates may send their resume only in the format downloaded from the HLL website as shown on screen, with copies of education qualification, experience and community certificates, resume or CV along with recent passport size photograph to the General Manager, HLL Life Care, Belgavi, Karnataka. The envelope should be superscribed with the name of the post applied for. Last date for application is 24th December 2020. Next is some last dates of apprenticeship training already informed in last video. Graduate apprentice at Goa Shipyard Limited's last date is 11th December 2020. Apprentice at State Bank of India's last date is 10th December 2020. I will put the video link in my description. That's all the apprenticeship training of this week. As you know, from our channel Mech Engineering World, every Monday we will upload new employment opportunities for mechanical engineers, and every Thursday we will upload government and private jobs for diploma mechanicals. That's all for this week's employment news video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.